Okay, good morning, grade 10.
Good morning, ma'am.
Ba ako?
Opo.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let me share my screen. Actually, itong ating, by the way, itong ating online class is recorded para ma-upload doon sa ating group page para dun sa mga hindi naka-attend ngayon. So let me share my screen. Kita po ba yung screen ko? Yung presentation?
Yes, ma'am.
Sige. So this is our final output or performance task for computer programming. Code it, design it, my personal website. Actually, itong website na to, itong final performance task na gagawin nyo, is combination lang lahat ng activities na nagawa natin from the start. So, from HTML structure, from HTML structure, sa headings, paragraphs, lists, table, insert ng links, insert ng image. Actually, hindi ko na sinama yung pag-insert ng video. Then, of course, yung CSS. So, before I show you the sample output, so let me share the direction for this activity. So, dito, create a personal website that introduces yourself, showcases your hobbies and interests, and present your skills, goals, and favorite things. So, dito sa gagawin nating website, hindi lang siya isang web page na kung saan nandoon lahat ng information. Since naturo ko na sa inyo kung paano mag-create ng hyperlink wherein i-connect natin yung isang web pages to other pages, right? So, kung i-recall natin yung discussion, we use a tag na anchor which is A, then href, and then yung mismong location or yung file name ng web page na pupuntahan ng ating link. So, dito sa gagawin nating final performance task, which is my personal website, it composed of different, actually 5 pages or web pages. Number 1 is a home page, about, me page, my hobby and interests, favorites, and contact us or connect with me. Okay? So, dito sa gagawin natin, ba't ayaw? It composed of different navigation button. Hindi lang siya simpleng website na gagawin. Lalagyan natin siya ng navigation button such as home, about me, hobbies, favorites, and contact us. So, if you still remember our discussion last time about the hyperlinks, nag-create tayo ng different buttons for home, about me, hobbies, favorites, and contact us. So, same thing with your performance task na gagawin. So, gagamit din tayo ng navigation na kung saan i-apply natin yung tinatawag na hyperlink. Okay? So, nandito naman yun, yung required navigation. So, hindi na natin babaguhin as is na siya. So, home, about me, hobbies, favorites, and then contact us. And then, we have the required CSS. So, naturo ko naman sa inyo yung 3 different CSS. So, we have the internal, we have the inline, and then external CSS. Ang gagamitin natin dito sa performance task is external CSS wherein you're going to create another file or another document for CSS file. So later on, I'm gonna show you the sample code and then at the same time, the output na kailangan nyo ma-achieve. So dito sa CSS, we have the color, font style, font size, background, borders, margins, padding, text alignment, border radius, box, shadows, button styling, and hover effects. So yung hover effects, kapag yung mouse pointer pinlace natin, let's say sa button or doon sa specific text na may hyperlink, nag-change siya ng it's either ng color, ng position, or meron siyang simple movement nung text or ng button. So, later on, papakita ko rin sa inyo. Tapos, sa pag-create ng my personal website, it should be nasa isang folder lang siya. So, sa gagawin yung folder, let's say my personal website, then, sa loob ng folder na my personal website, magkikreate kayo ng isang folder pa para doon lahat nakatago yung mga image na gagamitin nyo for the website. And then of course, nandoon sa loob ng my personal website folder, yung mga web pages na kinreate nyo, same with the CSS, documents. So let's say here, we have the index.html, about.html, hobbies.html, favorites.html, and then contact.html. So lahat ito, ilalagay nyo doon sa isang folder, for example, my personal website. So sa gagawin yung folder, sa gagawin yung website, para ma-check ko siya, ang gagawin nyo is magke-create kayo ng isang folder instead na may personal website, yung folder name na i-assign nyo, ang ilalagay nyo is your complete name. So, for example, Baltasar Bianca. And then, yung folder na yon is i-upload nyo sa drive na ibibigay ko. Para kapag ka nag-check ako, intact yung files nyo. Nagets mo ba?
Gets po.
Nagets po. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, nagets po kasi hindi ko masasabi yung mga susunod na meeting kung ano yung mangyayari. Kung meron ba tayong klase, suspended ba ulit. So habang may mga suspension ng classes, habang naka-asynchronous class tayo ng Tuesday, ng Thursday, or ng Friday, ito na yung gagawin nyo para dun sa remaining days na natitira para sa August. Kasi parang ang nakita ko, last week ng August, yung term examination natin, yung last day, yung parang pinaka-last exam natin. Nagkaintindihan po?
Yes po.
Okay, so ganun po yung gagawin natin.